because she's jealous that there's no tower called Letitia.
The libtards are up in arms. They are losing it. Talking about Trump, as you guys already know, gave former President Donald Trump 10 more days to post a $175 million bond in his civil fraud case. So they have reduced it. Remember, it was a whopping $464 million. Now, honestly, in my opinion, it should be zero. It should be zero.
Yeah, for sure.
But we'll take this. We'll do this. Certainly, Donald Trump is going to do it. He has the money already set aside. The appellate court ruled this today.
You all remember in the 70s and 80s, Lee Majors played the $6 million man. While in 2024, Donald J. Trump is the $6 billion man. And he just keeps getting remade, and the parts are just working, and they are, whatever you want to call them, titanium parts. He just keeps getting remade, and he goes full speed. And I am all the happier for it. Look, he is not going down. The left is apoplectic, and this BS about this being some kind of favoritism. No, it's not. No, it's not. Every defendant has certain rights under the Constitution, including Donald J. Trump. They are having a hissy fit.
And I want to get you in on this, Crystal. Before I do, I want to just comment. Shelley is talking about Trump's estimated net worth just skyrocketed to $6.4 billion.
This man is almost 80 years old. He has lived his life. He had highs. He's had lows. He has been down to his last. He has been rich. He has been like, what did you think was like this? You're not messing with an amateur here. Like, you're not. He knows how to play this game.
We want to talk about their meltdowns. We want to talk about this because do you all understand how sick these people are? How jealous, how envious, how much they hate hard-working Americans, successful people that thrive and do well, how they hate, the left hates these types of people. Take a look at this nasty, nasty witch of a woman, Letitia James, as she sits and salivates over her unconstitutional pursuit of former President Trump. Take a look at this.
Does not have funds to pay off the judgment, then we will seek, judgment enforcement mechanisms in court. And we will ask the judge to seize his assets. We are prepared to make sure that the judgment is paid to New Yorkers. And yes, I look at 40 Wall Street each and every day.
Why she does that? Because she's jealous that there's no tower called Letitia. Okay, that's why she goes there. And she goes there, like you said, she salivates because she's seething with jealousy and envy and anger. And all she has right now at her disposal is the prosecution system, the corrupt system that she's in charge of. But she is jealous because there's not one building in New York or the United States or the world that you can go to and say, Letitia. Nope, not at all. And it never will be.
Letitia Towers.
Yeah. It's sad.
Letitia Towers come falling down.
Right. It's sad though. It is sad. It's disgusting. And not just people who support Trump, not just Republicans, not just conservatives, but people. This should be scary for everyone. That the legal system, if they don't like you, if they're jealous of you, they will do everything in their power to take you down. It is despicable. Take a look at this. This is the View ladies, again, salivating. This was before Trump, they lowered the bond money. Take a look at this.
It's hard. You're cute and submissive. It's hard. I am a man repellent. It's hard. Because all I do is go to gay events and drag shows and
anything to make a buck, save a buck. Anything to make a buck.
It's hard.
Says he cannot come up with the cash to cover his $400 million plus bond
Wrong.
in his New York fraud case.
And I can't wait to see the chains on Trump Tower, actually, on Fifth Avenue. I'm like, kind of excited about it.
You won't see it, baby.
Yeah.
You know, if it like commercial real estate is down anyway, sweetie. Like if I was him, if like they act like this man is like his pride and joy, his business, really. Like he doesn't have children, like he doesn't have grandchildren, like he doesn't have Mar-a-Lago. Like you want 400, almost $500,000, and you know what makes me so mad about the people of New York? Where do you think that 400 million is going to? The migrants, you dum-dum. You're trying to take the money from somebody who's a business owner, who created jobs, who creates opportunities. It's almost as though like Hollywood has done a good job of making the evil man being the rich person as opposed to the people who
absolutely
you, which is your government. Your government hates you.
Yeah. Absolutely. I'm going to bring another fairy tale. Remember the fairy tale of Rumpelstiltskin, and when he's upset because she spins the weave or whatever, and then he stomps out through a hole. That's what the review's going to be doing. They're going to be stomping holes in their floor tonight because that building is not going to have chains. Letitia still doesn't have one, and he is now a $6 billion heir. Okay.
Exactly.
I hit him.